Hello y'all, this is Debrina Jackson Gandy and I'm here at the beautiful Hotel Murano with my dear friend Kim Coles.
And I'm here with you, my lady, and I'm here with what? Your book? The Love Lies. 10 revelations to transform your relationships and enrich your life, and that's exactly what this book does. Thank you so much for writing it. Thank you for really opening up what these lies are that we've been told, that society tells us, the lies that we tell ourselves, and really debunking that and telling us what the truth is about how to have good relationships and good self-love and getting to it. So you're a treasure for writing this. The book is a treasure. And wait, okay, here's my favorite part of the book. Let's talk about Eve, as in Adam and Eve. And when you read what Debrina says about Eve, it will change your life. It will open up your view and open up your vista about who you really are and who you're supposed to be. It's good stuff. It's juicy.
But y'all, you also can get your own copy. Hey, this is Kim's, can't have this one.
No, it's mine.
So whether you want to go to Amazon.com or BarnesandNoble.com or buy an actual live hardback book at the bookstore, those are all great ways you can get the book. And I'll be on national book tour, so didyoubuythelovelies.com will give you the whole national book tour. And I just want to say thank you, Kim.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for letting me read. I'm going to keep reading. Just you talk amongst yourselves. Go see her live because you'll get even just more juicy and yumminess. Look at this yumminess. The Love Lies and Debrina and Eve. Now, talk amongst yourselves while I read.
See you soon.
Love lie, love lie, love lie. Truth, truth.